so this morning the guys got this set up down here in the hole so we can just prep that metal, get that outside corner in, and we can snap that line all the way across from corner to corner, from return to return here. So they should be here to backfill Monday, I would hope, and get this buttoned up. But here we got this prep so far, so we can make her almost to the edge of the drop off. You can see the J right by the ladder there. And I got a bunch pre-cut for Ryan here so he can keep rolling. And yeah, then we gotta do what we gotta do. Do some framing up top before we can do the soffit and fascia. Do this return here. Do the soffit and fascia. And everything we can do to keep progress. Forward progress will make it happen. So stay with us and we'll show you how to put one of these modulars together.